Okay, so now let's move on to question number 7. How do you calculate the density of a solid? So, the formula for density is mass over volume. So basically, for example, let's say we had a box that is like 12 grams in mass, and it has dimensions of 4 by 2 by 1 centimeters. What is the density? Okay, so we know that the mass is 12 grams. And now I will calculate volume. So volume is length times width times height of like a box. So it'll be 4 times 2 times 1. So its final volume is 8 centimeter cubed. So to calculate density, it's mass divided by volume. So 12 grams divided by 8 centimeter cubed gives us a density of 1.5 grams per centimeter cubed. Okay, so let's see what our junior tutor said. There are 2 ways to calculate the density of a solid. The first is using density equals mass over volume. They have an example with a block of wood with a mass of 4 grams and dimensions of 2 by 2 by 2. Calculate its density, solve first for its volume, then apply the given formula. So they calculated the block of wood to have a volume of 8 centimeter cubed, and they found its density to be 4 divided by 8, which is 0.5. So they have another way you could calculate density by using the water displacement method. This is applicable for all solids, especially for solids with irregular shapes such as rocks. So let's say we're not able to calculate the volume because it has such an irregular shape. We can use this method. So here, water is filled in a graduated cylinder or any measuring cup. The initial volume of water is noted, then the solid, which was pre-weighed, is submerged in the water. It is important that the solid is completely submerged. The final volume of water with the solid is also noted. To get the volume of the solid, subtract the initial volume from the final volume of water. After this, use the formula given in number 1. Yep, so that's another way of calculating density. This solution is correct. Okay, so now let's